Hello there, my name is Julie and you are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, I got my box for Mystery Yarn Challenge 322, hosted by Armchair Chef. I had to do a slight double take on this box because I think for the first time, the person who I sent to, they sent me back one. So this is from Happy to Hook Creations. So if I'm not subscribed, I will make sure I am if she has a YouTube channel. So let's see what I got. Okay, this might take, I might have to edit this out. She does have a YouTube channel. I'm assuming she does it, because I sent it to a P.O. box, and Happy Hook Creations sounds like a YouTube channel, or a business, for sure. Now the box is open. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Ooh, we got some. Oh, I don't know if you can see. So, all the goodies stuff is on top here, so let's see. Oh, obviously, to check out her card. She is on Etsy, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Happy Hook Creations. So I'll have to check out, see who she is, and subscribe to her if I haven't done so. But looks like I got some stickers. Take up space. Let your light shine. Like that. I'll have to put that somewhere so I can see that. That's kind of cool. And got some chamomile tea. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I'm not sure if this was intentional or not, but I just found a little space marker, a stitch marker. So you can always use those. So there's no label on this, so I don't know what this is, other than it's a size 4 acrylic yarn in this light pale yellow color. Let's see, I have, oh, I was just thinking, I have not shopped at Joann's for a while, because I almost went to Joann's today, because I went to, okay, so just some background, this is the third video I'm recording today. It's Monday, March 13th. I had the day off from work because I had a doctor's appointment, but I already did a video that's already out. I ran into a problem with my temperature blanket. I just simply ran out of some yarn, and the replacement yarn for it wasn't going to come out through Amazon. Wasn't going to get here until the end of March, and I didn't want to be stopped on my temperature blanket. So I was at Hobby Lobby and picked up a replacement. So I recorded a video yarn haul from Hobby Lobby that should be out already before this video, because that's the plan. So, and then Michael's is really close to me, so every time I want to go yarn shopping, it's almost 99% of the time it's at Michael's, because it's like less than a 5-minute drive, where Hobby Lobby and Joann's is a little bit. So I did drive to Hobby Lobby. Joann's wasn't that far, and I was gonna go to Joann's, and I decided not to go to Joann's. So that, I'm sorry, I digress. So that's why I saw Big Twist, because I have seen Big Twist on YouTube and I've not ever dealt with it, but this is, anyway, I digress. This is Big Twist. I think Reverb, I'm not sure if that's the color or what this yarn is. It is a size 4 weight yarn. And let's see, where are you at? Oh, no, it's not the color. Reverb is the name of the yarn. The color is Rust Red. I'm trying to find the yardage in that for you. Oh, there it is. It is 311 yards, or 285 meters, 5.3 ounces, or 150 grams. So I have two of those. Finally, I have, again, I don't know what this is. Other than it's a size 4 weight yarn. That's acrylic, and it's this rust color. And it's perfect. I already had a project in mind before. And I was now that this is strictly size 4, this is going to be perfect. I'm going to make a granny square blanket, but it's kind of like I don't know if miter is the correct term, because I was going through my old blog posts. I have a Treasures Made from Yarn blog post that I started since 2008. So a while back, I guess I call it the mitered granny square blanket. So it starts out with a granny square, and I built up this little start with the little granny squares in the small far corner, maybe the far right corner or left corner. And then I just built up in the granny square pattern on 2 sides. And I think this will be perfect. And I do plan on making a video on how to make this blanket. So stay tuned for that. That's what I'm going to do with this yarn. So that is it for this short video. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more yarn content like this and to see how this turns out to be. And obviously, and the tutorial on the blanket that's going to eventually come from this mystery yarn challenge. So that is all I have, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.